I say, if my work find out about this, I'd fucking lose my job, I reckon.
I don't mind pushing you if you want up the road.
I don't know. I wasn't going to go through it.
Yeah, can do. Yeah, no roof.
I was waving. I like this when he went past. I didn't.
Someone's coming in the other side.
Oh, for God's sake. No!
Gonna come pick it up for me.
Right, do they know what side you're at? Because a lot of the time they come the other side, then obviously not going to get through.
No, what should I do?
So this is the-
I sent them my like, actual location. So
Like what, 3 words or something like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Just say it's a church side. But
If you want to get out of the vehicle, just get you back.
clearly you're not right in it. You're.
yeah, and luckily I got out of it.
That's it.
Yeah,
And obviously,
so-
we're not insurance, so we can't
Yeah,
sit there
yeah,
and
we
say
can't.
yes or no because it's not our job. But majority of people get paid out.
Yeah.
But I can't say for everyone. There's no reason why, you know, if you're insured legitimately, which
Yeah,
I imagine
no,
you are
yeah.
in a car like
Yeah.
this, there's no real reason why they shouldn't pay you out.
Yeah.
However, they can always argue that you drove in and whatnot. So again, it's up to them. It really has nothing to do
Yeah.
with us or even yourself. But the most important thing is you're
Just hope
okay.
you're brave.
Yeah.
Pull them out the flood. Just to get you from there to there, you should charge them 80
I
quid.
charge them nothing.
You went a bit quick there. Don't say. Yeah.
Foot and a half. Bloody hell. I think it's your under tray, mate, that's dragging. I think it's your under tray that's dragging it. Oh, right.
Put it in a ditch a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, just trying to write it off at this point. Oh. That'll do, won't it?
Yeah, we've got just one bloke who's over the steering wheel, mate. He's alright. You can't open the windows.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, he's on his phone. He's alright. I'll get you out, yeah? Just stay where you are. You just stay there. I can't hear you.
Oh, the
Oh, you
electrics.
can't open the window?
Electrics are fucked.
Yeah, just stay there. Stay where you are.
Get yourself out.
Give me your phone. Give me your phone. Don't fuck the key. Throw the key. Get rid of the key. You don't need the key. You can't. Give me the phone. Your seatbelt off, yeah?
Do you want me to help?
That's not important. Is he on the phone to the fire brigade, is he, or something?
Yeah, I don't know.
Right, so you've got ambulance on scene and fire service on scene. Get out of the car, mate. Come on, quick. They're on scene. You've got the fire service and you've got ambulance on scene, mate. Alright? No worries. Right, there's a step. No, leave the door. Mate, there's a step up here. It is, yeah. He's out of the car now. There's a step up, mate. There's a step up. Big step up. No worries, bye-bye. I've got your phone and stuff. Come this way, there's an ambulance. Come to the ambulance, you're going to be in shock. There's an ambulance this side. Don't worry about this, it's not important. You're more important. You're more important. Stop trying to start it, you're going to make it worse. Right? What you need to do is ring down your breakdown cover. When it cover, thank you. Yeah. If you start it, you're going to make it worse. Because you're not hydrolocked, you're not killed your car in a minute. If you keep starting it, you're going to kill it. So that's why I'm just going to tell you, don't leave it to them now, alright? So, I know shit lot, but in a minute you've not killed it. Right? So don't start it.
That's only rear wheel. Are you getting wet in there yet?
Don't come flying back and crash into the back of me.
How was your first experience?
Bit too fast there, mate, I think.
I mean, I might be able to, but... Put your handbrake on.
Who are you guys from the press?
No, well, yeah.
Well, yeah, it's like freelance, yeah.
Oh, what are you doing them videos?
Just keep it to myself, to be honest,
right,
mate.
yeah.
Yeah, don't, it won't go anywhere, mate. It's just.
Just a bit too fast. If you'd been slower, you'd been alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I say if I work find out about this, I'd fucking lose my job, I reckon.
Good?
Yeah. Might even try it.
No, don't do that because you'll break it. Don't get a microfiber, that'd be better. Try that, mate. It might throw up a fault. Waiting for the rain, couldn't we? Yep.
Steady! James, stop!
It's alive. It's not even that deep. Science is cut out. Engines on these things are fucking low.
We've got a tow rope if you want to get pulled out to the side.
Have you got one in there? I didn't. Do you
Yeah.
know what? Yeah, I've got water coming in there anyway, so.
Right.
That's got to be one of the most foolish things I've done.
Does water come out now?
Oh, he's wet still.
Does water come out now?
Yeah, when he turns it over, it should all spray out the top.
You ready?
Yeah.
Keep going, you've got to go till it stops.
Battery dead.
Oh, yeah, something.
Dead battery.
Very
I
dead
think.
battery. It should pull that easy enough.
I can pull you out, mate, but I'm going to be a few minutes because I'll have to go round.
Any help you can do.
Okay, I'll drag it, mate.
Yeah,
Mine's there, isn't it? So
yeah, we'll get you out.
I'm not going anywhere. Stuck. Stuck. We need you to push as well.
I want to help with it.
What you put in?